VDB Expo isn't just for searching and setting meetings and communicating with your vendors. It's also for digging into products and making decisions and buying or placing them on a memo or a hold. So let's take a look at some of the things you can do with your products once you've searched for them. I'm just going to launch a search, pick a couple of shapes here. Let's see what we come up with. And here we go. All right, so let's search for these. Okay, so let's take a look at this diamond. And as you can see on the right here, you've got your options to place an item on memo, or to buy it, or to place it on hold. And you can also get some profile information. Now, if you see this diamond and you know it's something you want, why not talk with the vendor right away by pushing this green button and launching a video chat? But if you want to do some more exploration before you talk, then let's look at some of the things you can do. You could share the information with one of your workmates or with your client by clicking this button and launching either an email or a WhatsApp screen. To place the item on memo, you just push the memo button and make a memo request. Here you would type in your comments or your questions for the supplier and then click this button to place the request. Or if you already know you want the item, you can actually make a buy request right within the app, and this information is going to go straight to the supplier. And you can place it on the payment terms that you have already arranged with this vendor. And you can put your notes here and again place your offer to the vendor. Or you can place an item on hold. You can indicate how long you want that hold to be. And here you can place, again, a note to the vendor. So this might be a question, something like this, and then we place the request. Here's just a confirmation screen asking if you're sure you want to place this request, and yes, I do. And now you'll see in the notification screen, we have an alert that a notification has been sent. And if you look on the left in your icon menu, remember you have a little notification button. And if you don't remember what each of these icons are for, you can always expand the menu with the caret to see what's what. But that's where you are right now, is in the notifications window. Let's open the notification again, and you can see what you've requested. Now in this notification, this is where whatever you typed in that memo box to the supplier will show. At this point, you can withdraw the item if you want, or you can modify your request. For instance, you could change the hold time, or you could add more comments below or change this comment. Then you could submit your change, saying, yes, I'd like to modify this request. And you can see all of the messages about this item by clicking that message button. And you can add more messages. So here's where you can have a dialogue back and forth with the supplier. So let's see how to get there again. There we went to the messages button. This is a very powerful part of the Expo app that you will find makes it faster and easier for you to get answers and make purchases. Let's go back to search. Now in this button, we can look for matches. So we can find a match for a given diamond. There we go. It's finding matches for us based on this criteria. And then you can scan through and see what matches the system found for you. You can also pull the certificate on the diamond, not the matches that we were looking for, but the original diamond that we were searching on. And as you can see, it's going to launch a download. So you'll decide what folder you want to put it in and then save that certificate and look at it. We can close out of that item and go to another. So those are just some of the things you can do inside the products to help you work faster and smarter and have a nice ongoing record. Because remember, you've got all of your notifications here, And inside the notifications, you have your message threads that will help you be more productive while you're at the expo.